They are men, born to play a sport, working to become the best, competing for the ultimate prize of a spot in history, supplied with equal elements of athleticism, strength, heart, determination. They play with the backing of entire cities, teammates spurring them on, and passion from within. 16 teams, 4 rounds, 1 victor.
This is it right here.
That's why I came to the NBA.
It's been a long time coming. They can't play with us. They can't beat us ever. Let's do this, man. Let's go take this.
You are not going to become a championship team and be it easy.
Boys, we're becoming a dangerous team. It's just us, man. It's just us.
Remember, what's the most important thing right now? Pace.
We have 24 seconds. Where do you want the ball?
I want it right here.
End of the day, we the champions. Let's go.
Get ready for a lot more fun. And if you think this is fun, the next 2 steps are more fun.
Sounds of the NBA playoffs, presented by Right Guard.